What's up guys, Fat Boy from Seoul here. This is the essential eBay guide to selling your used sneakers. Nobody wants to buy a beat pair of sneakers like these Yeezy 700 Inertias. So today I will be showing you how to increase the value of your sneakers using this crap travel kit. Let's take a closer look inside. This kit comes with a 4-ounce sneaker cleaning solution, a microfiber towel, and an all-purpose brush, all packed up in a travel kit for you to clean your sneakers on the go. Now let's get started with the clean. I'll be taking one of the sneakers and putting them to the side to show you the differences in value after the clean. To get started with the clean, we're gonna open up this kit and take everything out of it. What I usually like to do is mix the solution with a little bit of water to dilute it. Throw a little bit of water in there, get some solution, add a couple drops. To start this clean, I'm going to start off with taking off the laces and dumping them into the solution. What I like to start off with is the undersole of the sneakers. So we're gonna take the brush, dump it in there, get to scrubbing. The first thing I like to do when I'm buying a used pair of sneakers is to look at the undersole. A clean undersole would really increase the value of your sneakers. Now we're gonna get started on the midsole of the sneaker. Then we're gonna do the same thing, dip the brush into the solution and start scrubbing away. After touching the midsole of your sneakers, I'm gonna head on to the uppers. On the Yeezy 700s, there are a lot of suede on it, so you wanna be real delicate. Now after giving the uppers a quick clean, we're gonna start cleaning the insides of the shoe. We're gonna take the insole out and scrub away. After giving it a quick scrub, wipe it down. Put it to the side, let it dry, and scrub the insides of the shoe a little bit. After scrubbing down basically the whole shoe, you can set it aside to dry, take your laces out the solution, and give it a quick scrub. After giving the laces and the insole a quick clean, you just want to take your shoe and put it back together like so. Now that the shoe is completely dry, let's give you a quick before and after. As you can see from the before and after, one of these shoes are ready to sell on eBay. Some of the benefits are you can sell them faster, get top dollar for your kicks, and have a happy customer in the long run. This is Fat Boy from Seoul signing off.